Hi, people. Guess what? I think I have a new addiction to subscription boxes. Because now I had a coupon for like 50% off the fall box of Fabfitfun. And I was avoiding it for like a month, and then I was like, alright, fine. I'll subscribe and see what it's like. So, got this in the mail yesterday. But I waited until today to open it up for you guys. So, let's see what the fuck we got in here. Alright. I already broke the seal, so I wouldn't have to deal with that on camera. Boobs in the way. Alright. Fabfitfun. That's what it says in there. I like the packaging. Packaging is amazing. Okay, HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit. $80 gift card. Plus free shipping? Okay. I guess I'm gonna be getting food boxes now too. I feel like this is like a never-ending thing. Like, you subscribe to one box, you're gonna have to go to the next and the next until your whole life is controlled by fucking subscription boxes. Alright, so where you see there's a lot of fucking like confetti shits in here. I mean, they're cute, but I'm gonna try to not make a mess. First thing we got in here is human plus kind, or if there's like a little plus sign in the middle. Body souffle, vegan and cruelty free. Wonder what it smells like. If I can open it. Like, what does it smell like? It smells really good to me. I don't know if it would smell good to you guys. I don't know. It depends on your sense and what kind of scents you like. But to me, this smells like the top, like the stem of a pumpkin. And I like the smell of the stems of the pumpkins, so that's what it smells like. Alright, and then, what is this we got? Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. Gel Stimulant. Menthol. Ooh, so I can smell like a pack of Newports. Can't wait. And green tea. Let's see. Tone Firm Smooth Pre-Workout Activator. Body Boost Gel features a blend of green tea, ginseng, and menthol to help boost your workouts by targeting problem areas. Alright. I doubt this is gonna work, but it looks like it could be a good moisturizer. Let's see what it smells like, actually. I'm kind of scared. Oh, there's a seal on it. Damn it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like a pack of Newports. I'm throwing it out. Smells like Vapor Rub. And I'm not going to complain about that. That's pretty good. I like that. See how that works. What in the... Got a jar of Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. Juice cleanse. I'm not sure what these do. We're going to read. Let's see. Take a single cube with you in the shower and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Does it work on my life? Because that would be cool. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's see. Got this. What is this? Skin and Co. Truffle Therapy. Essential Face Toner. Made in Italy. Alright, well that's cool. Looks like it's got shit I can use on my face. So, I was running out of toner anyways, so good thing this came through. That smells good too. Like, where's the little list that says how much everything's worth? I don't know, but we're already well over the price of the box. Even if the box were bought at full price, I got it for $25 with the little coupon code. Already, just by opening it, we're already over the price of the box with the $80 gift card for HelloFresh. So I'd say it's worth it so far, and we're still going. Alright, let's see. The Better Skin Company. Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask. Can always use a good scrub, mask, whatever. Always good to exfoliate, especially when you're like me and you like to wear makeup. Gotta scrub it all off. Ooh, what's this? It's a big black jar. Of course I would like it. What is it? Okay. Detox Pads. Complexion Perfecting Pads. Huh. By Nassif? I don't know. MND. Dermaceuticals. I didn't even know that was a fucking word. Alright, we'll try these out. See if they help me out when I'm PMSing and my forehead starts to break out. Hopefully these will help. We'll try it. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, hair repair. Obviously I have very damaged and processed hair. So let's see. Daily hair repair. What does this do? Oh, it's like a leave-in conditioner. Hell yeah. Can never have enough of those. It smells, I don't know, like some kind of plant. I like it though. Oh, that's funny, because it's by Aveda. The Art and Science of Pure Flower and Plant Essences. That's why it smells like a plant. Alright, what is this shit? Oh, I think this is a yoga mat. Yeah, that is. Alright, look, I got a travel yoga mat by Anthropology. I don't think I'm gonna open this wide up and show you guys, because I might make a mess with all these little confettis. But that's pretty cool too. Huh, I'll start bringing my own yoga mat to class, so I don't have to be on everyone else's germs. I think that's it. Just a bunch of confetti left in here. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I can't wait to see what my winter box is gonna be. And now my bank account is scared to see how many more subscription offers I'm going to end up with on my Instagram and Facebook feed, because it's like, oh, we know you're subscribing, bitch. We're gonna show you. And be like, you need this box, and you need this box. I'm be like, yes, I do need this box. Subscription addiction. I'm starting to think it's a real thing. Yeah, go get it.